Strawberry ice cream, a sunless day. You melt away through the cracks in my fingers. I know that sunburn goes away. The broken words I last heard still linger. Maybe by Monday I'll be okay. Any day's better than February. Sometimes I wonder how life would be. Any day's better than February. But if you called and you asked me to stay.
Welcome to New York City and what I eat in a day. I'm Lauren Z. Ray and I'm a vegan traveler. I travel to a new city every month and this month is New York City. The hot dog is classic New York and I've been on the search for a vegan version and I think I may have found it here at Stube. I ordered the Banh meat, which is a Beyond Hot Italian sausage, carrot slaw, cucumber, cilantro, fresh jalapeno, and vegan sriracha aioli. It is time to try this amazingness. I don't know how I'm gonna fit it all. It's really spicy, which I love. I mean, there's fresh jalapenos on top, what you expect in the sriracha. And the fact that the sausage has a kick, I love it because I love spicy food. But if you hate spicy food, this is not the one for you. Tastes just like real sausage meat though. And that's an accomplishment, so. Okay, before our next meal, we want to go see some works of art. So we are headed to the Met.
Strawberry ice cream, a sunless day. You melt away through the cracks in my fingers. I know that sunburn goes away. The broken words I last heard still linger. Maybe by Monday I'll be okay. Any day's better than February. Sometimes I wonder how life would be. Any day's better than February. But if you called and you asked me to stay, would you give me the world or walk out in a day? Because I'm so afraid that if I let you in, when the going gets rough, will you leave me again like February? Summer's gone, season's changed.
Finishing up the day the only way you can with pumpkin cream cheese pastries while watching Harry Potter. I mean, it's a perfect way to end the night. And that is it for the What I Eat in a Day in New York City. Give it a like if you enjoyed it. All recipes will be in the description below, as well as links to my ebook and other free recipes on my blog. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe because we're going to be doing more vegan travel videos. And What I Eat in a Day's. Now I got to get back to Harry Potter because it's October now and it's what you do. Now I got to finish these. Goodbye.
Maybe by Monday